You won't believe the transformative experience of stepping into a cinematic world right in the comfort of your own space. Imagine a room transformed into a majestic theater with crisp, vibrant images and lifelike colors, all thanks to a single device that stands out from the rest. The Optoma ZH406ST short-throw Full HD professional laser projector. In a world where home entertainment has become the norm, the quest for a projector that can deliver unparalleled picture quality, convenience, and reliability has led many to frustration. The limitations of traditional projection technology, like lamp and filter replacements every 2,000 to 4,000 hours, have long plagued enthusiasts and professionals alike. Moreover, the bulkiness and maintenance requirements of older projectors have made them an impractical choice for many. The time has come to revolutionize the home entertainment landscape with the Optoma ZH406ST, boasting DuraCore laser technology that promises to redefine the boundaries of projector reliability. As I unboxed the Optoma ZH406ST, my excitement grew with every passing moment. The sleek, premium design, crafted from high-quality materials, immediately struck a chord with my senses. The projector's slender build, weighing in at a mere 6.6 pounds, belies its monstrous ability to produce a whopping 4,200 lumens of brightness. It's this seamless blend of form and function that elevates the Optoma ZH406ST to the pinnacle of projector design. Upon initial inspection, I couldn't help but feel that this unit would be the perfect addition to any room, its futuristic aesthetic effortlessly complementing even the most minimalist of decors. But what really sets the Optoma ZH406ST apart is its incredible array of cutting-edge features, making it an indispensable tool for both professionals and home entertainment enthusiasts. Its 4K HDR input capabilities are a game-changer, as the projector seamlessly interprets HDR10 and HLG signals, ensuring a breathtakingly immersive viewing experience. Whether you're lost in a cinematic masterpiece or captivated by your favorite sports game, the Optoma ZH406ST effortlessly conjures a cinematic spectacle that's hard to resist. Let's delve into the specifics, shall we? One of the standout features of the Optoma ZH406ST is its DuraCore laser light source, engineered to last an impressive 30,000 hours without needing replacement. This staggering durability means you no longer have to worry about the hassle of replacing lamps or filters in the middle of a viewing session, allowing you to immerse yourself in the action without a care in the world. Furthermore, the projector is built with IPX6 dust resistance rating, guaranteeing that it can withstand even the toughest environmental conditions. Another noteworthy feature is the short-throw lens, allowing the projector to produce an expansive 120-inch image from just 4 feet 4 inches away. This revolutionary technology has numerous benefits, particularly in smaller rooms or spaces with limited space constraints. With the Optoma ZH406ST, you have the ability to effortlessly create a cinematic ambience without having to sacrifice precious square footage. But let's not forget about its ability to network seamlessly. This ensures that you can effortlessly integrate the Optoma ZH406ST into your existing audio-video network, streamlining the setup process to an unprecedented level of convenience. To give you a more comprehensive understanding of the Optoma ZH406ST's capabilities, I decided to put it through its paces in a particularly daunting scenario. With the projector set up in a crowded multipurpose room, I attempted to deliver a dynamic 360 degrees presentation filled with complex images, graphics, and animations. To my surprise, the Optoma ZH406ST performed admirably, effortlessly handling even the most intricate visuals without a hint of hesitation or lag. With an average brightness of 4,200 lumens and an impressive contrast ratio, the images on display looked incredibly vivid, engaging the audience in a way that I'd never seen before. Another area where the Optoma ZH406ST truly shines is its impressive 4K HDR input. As I queued up a high-definition video showcasing the breathtaking landscapes of New Zealand, the projector sprang to life, rendering every detail in crystal-clear clarity. The HDR10 and HLG technologies took full advantage of the 4K resolution, producing an otherworldly visual spectacle that felt almost surreal. Now, before we move on to the final verdict, let's weigh the pros and cons of this incredible device. First off, the Optoma ZH406ST is hands down one of the most reliable projectors on the market. Its DuraCore laser light source boasting an unparalleled 30,000 hours of continuous use without needing replacement. This level of reliability is sure to give you peace of mind, allow you to focus on what really matters, the viewing experience. Secondly, its incredibly short throw capability is an absolute game changer, allowing you to effortlessly create a massive 120-inch image from just 4 feet 4 inches away. This flexibility is a godsend for anyone who's ever struggled with projector placement, giving you the freedom to place it wherever you please without any compromises. Lastly, the Optoma ZH406ST offers a level of network compatibility that's unmatched in its class, ensuring that you can seamlessly integrate it into your existing audio-video network with ease. On the flip side, I would say that the only minor drawback to this projector is its limited zoom capability, which, while adequate for most applications, may not be ideal for more specific use cases where precise image size and positioning are critical. But when I say minor, I mean it. This projector is an absolute powerhouse, capable of delivering a level of quality and ease of use that's unmatched in the market. In direct comparison to its competitors, the Optoma ZH406ST stands head and shoulders above the rest. Its DuraCore laser light source, 4K HDR input, and short throw lens making it an unstoppable force in the world of home entertainment. So, where does that leave us? In all honesty, I'm left with one conclusion. The Optoma ZH406ST is an absolute must-have for anyone who demands the very best in home